Good evening. The outcry by the majority of former and present athletes over a controversial proposal by European athletics to erase all world and European records set before 2005 is totally justified. The proposal, which also calls for higher technical standards, increased doping control measures, and new personal integrity requirements for record holders, is up for further discussion at the next IAAF Council meeting this summer. Now, Sports Commentary believes the move to erase the world records, both in and outdoors, without any evidence of cheating is simply wrong. And one can't help but agree with the likes of Britain's marathon world record holder Paula Radcliffe and American long jump world record holder Mike Powell that the move will cause damage to the reputation of affected athletes. The fact is, even though a number of world records may be doubtful for suspected doping or technical issues, it is just wrong to punish athletes without proof of wrongdoing. And as one respected track and field colleague has said, if the IAAF agrees to remove all world records set before 2005, they would also invalidate every single track and field performance done before that period. In addition, Sports Commentary thinks that the portion of the proposal which state that world records could only be achieved at competitions on a list of approved international events where the highest standards of officiating and technical equipment can be guaranteed is also ridiculous. A simpler solution would be to ensure that people who are qualified at the highest level by the IAAF officiate at all meets on certified tracks. And as was suggested by the outgoing president of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Mike Fennell, the other regional bodies such as NACAC need to meet on the matter and come up with counter proposals. I'm Keon Rayner. Good evening.